Going over IRS Form 2555, Foreign Earned Income, specifically the Limit on Housing Expenses worksheet on line 29B. So if you're at line 29B, this is a key part of the calculation so that you can determine how much of your housing expenses or any you can exclude from income. So you can either take a deduction or you can take an exclusion. So in this part of the form, we're specifically talking about what you would need to do in order to calculate the exclusion in part 6 of form 2555. That's where line 29B comes in. If you're looking at the housing deduction instead, that would be in part 9. So this isn't the calculation to that gives you the housing exclusion. It's part of the calculation, and this is a critical number on line 29B. So as you're going through the tax form, you're going to have to refer to this worksheet so that you know what to put into that line. Now specifically, it's pretty straightforward, but let's walk through this. So in line 1, you're going to enter the number of days that you lived in the country or locality specifically during your qualifying period. So this is the number of days that you lived in that area during the tax year. For example, and this is an example straight out of the IRS instruction. So if you establish a tax home and a bona fide residence in a foreign country, let's say you did this on August 14th, and you maintain this as your tax home and residence through the end of 2023 into 2025. You consider yourself to be a calendar year taxpayer. The number of days within your qualifying period that fall in the 2023 tax year would be 140 days. That would be all August 14th all the way through the end of the year. So in this scenario, we would put 140. Let's follow that situation and let's just put 140 days. So go to line 2. If you entered 365 in line 1, you would simply locate the amount that you would be entitled to put into line 29B from the back of the form instructions. So if you lived, for example, let's just imagine that you lived in Luxembourg during this time. Luxembourg, actually, let's pick another extreme example because Luxembourg is a little, it's on the low end of this exclusion. Let's pick Hong Kong. They have a pretty high daily rate. So in Hong Kong, you're able to enter a number, the limit on housing expenses for an entire year would be $114,300. So that would be the limit that you, so if you hit 365, you would simply write out the full amount here. That would be the amount that you use on line 29B. If you only live there part of the year, let's say you only lived there for 140 days, you would select no here. You would skip this line 2, and then you would go to line 3 where you would multiply that 140 by the daily rate that applies to your locality. So in this case, Hong Kong has a daily rate of $313.15. You would multiply that by 140, and so you would put the $313.15. You would multiply that out, and you would arrive at $43,841. So for Hong Kong, bona fide residents, this would be the upper limit that you would put onto your line 29B. And then from there, you would carry out the rest of the calculation in that part of the form in Part 6 to eventually arrive at your housing exclusion. But first, you have to, make adjustments for the number of days in your qualifying period. You have to also exclude any employer provided amounts, and then follow those instructions. So this is how you arrive at that key number that you put into line 29B. We do cover the rest of IRS Form 2555 in a little bit more depth. We do have an article that we've written, and that is on our website. So if you go to teachmepersonalfinance.com, type in IRS Form 2555, you'll see the article that covers the entire form. So if you like our articles, please subscribe to our newsletter, which you can find the opt-in form on our website. And if you like our YouTube videos, please subscribe to our channel. We strive to put out relevant and comprehensive tax videos every day, and we're always looking for new ideas. So if you have a question that we haven't covered yet, or if you have an idea of something that you would like me to put into a video, please hit us up in the comments section. Thank you very much, and have a great day.